How to fix Twitter. This media is not available on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Twitter and then click on it and click storage, clear cache, and click force stop, and then click permissions, check storage. Maybe you'll find it like that, and then click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just go to Play Store and type Twitter and then just update it and restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.